Alright, so if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to make your bananas last slightly longer than if they're all going off and going rotten real fast. And the way I like to make the bananas last longer is by just taking some sellotape and wrapping the ends of the bananas in sellotape. And this is because bananas actually produce ethylene, which is a gas which causes different fruits to ripen. So if you sellotape off the ends here, then it will stop the ethylene gas from escaping and reduce the speed at which your bananas are ripening. Another way you can do it is by just putting your bananas in the freezer or fridge in order to slow the process down by reducing the temperature. But I personally find that the easiest way to do it is just to wrap your bananas in sellotape. Where would I be without sellotape? So I'm just going to wrap all of these bananas in sellotape. Other people use cling wrap, so that's another option which you can choose. It's probably cheaper to use cling wrap, or it depends on the prices of cling wrap and sellotape relative to whatever you've got. Oh, that's not good. Try again. So we just wrap our bananas. I won't do all of them now because I'll just eat some of them. I'm just gonna wrap, and as you can see we've got a nice wrapped bananas, and that will reduce the ethylene release speed by causing a build-up of just ethylene in the corner rather than spreading to the whole banana real fast. And I'll put these back on the dish, and there you have it. How to keep your bananas fresh.